of a cascading fall, water freely flows. There is a thrill in it all, and the wind softly blows. So many thoughts circle around at times, clouding my mind, and the words I hope to hear I struggle to find. In the shimmer glow, as the water hits below, there is a calmness in the sound, and it's one I used to know. While in grief I sit in small silence, looking over the side. In the breeze there is a moment where I can see a light. I'm strong like the water as it starts to fall. I can overcome the swift currents, I won't drown in the deep. I'll make it through it all. And the carrying winds whisper memories of the bittersweet. Each one holds moments of joy and failure, each one makes life more